Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've posted a YouTube video. Today I've got a Chanel unboxing for you guys. Actually, I've got two things to unbox today. So let's just get right into it. First, I'll show you this is the bag that it came in. And it's got the camellia flower on it. Super pretty, really pretty. And this is the box it comes in, also with the camellia flower. So let's just get right into the unboxing. This is what it looks like inside. It's got a Chanel sticker on it. And this is what's it? So this is some information about how you should take care of your leather products. It comes with 2 dust bags. Which is really nice. I prefer 2 dust bags for a pair of shoes. And this is what I got. It's a pair of low chunky heel, mid-heel sandals. And this is in a black, I believe it's lambskin. It's a black lambskin sandal with silver hardware. And this is what it looks like. So pretty. This is like icon of good luck, like a good luck. This is like a good luck charm, I believe. And the other pair, the left side has the other pair, the left side actually has a Chanel charm on it. So the right side has a good luck charm and the left side has a Chanel logo. And this is in the size 37.5. I vary between 37 and 37.5 for Chanel shoes. And I love wearing sandals in the summer, and this is like the perfect height for me. I can't wear high heels. I'm not very good at wearing high heels. Sometimes flat sandals are tiring for me. So this is 4 centimeters, and 4 centimeters is actually the best heel height for all day walking for me. From far away you can't really tell that these are from Chanel, and I love how understated it is. You can only tell it's Chanel by looking at the Chanel logo here, and that's only on the left pair. And if you're like a Chanel fan, you can tell from the chains. Chanel always have different types of variations, like different colors, different hardware. So in Australia we have the black and silver hardware. I was actually after the gold hardware, but they didn't have any. So if you're in other countries, you might have the gold hardware or the red version, and even a navy version. It's got Chanel written all over the tissue paper. Which is really nice. Okay, now let's I almost forgot. This actually, let me see how much this costs. It costs this pair of sandals cost me 1,100 and wait, I can't remember which one's which. The other pair of shoes I'm about to unbox is, so I've got two pairs of shoes here. One is 1,150 Australian dollars and the other one is 1,180. I believe this is the 1,180, I think. Sorry about that. And it doesn't really say here. It doesn't really say which one. So yeah, it's either 1,150 or 1,180 Australian dollars. Now let's unbox the second pair. Again, it's got the sticker on it. Same, it comes with 2 dust bags, and this is what I got, a pair of Chanel Slingbacks in the white tweed version. And this is also in the size 37.5. How pretty are they? So pretty. I forgot to mention, the sandals were made in Italy, and this is also made in Italy. Chanel shoes are usually made in Italy, not made in France. I know usually people get the beige nude version, but that nude color actually doesn't go really well on my skin tone. I've actually been looking for a two-tone black and white Chanel shoes, and I'm so happy that I found these ones. The only thing I'm worried about is because it's made of tweed, it will easily get dirty or dusty, so I have to kind of be careful when I wear these pair of shoes. The heel is a little bit higher than the sandals. This is the comparison. I believe this is like 6 centimeters or 6.5 centimeters. My maximum heel height I can wear is actually like around 6 centimeters. Any higher than that, I can't. It will hurt my feet so bad. I'm really bad at wearing high heels. So at the moment, I can only wear 6 centimeter heels. Hopefully after some practice, I can wear higher heels in the future. I'm not sure how comfortable these will be since this is my first pair of Chanel Slingbacks, and when I tried it in the store, it kind of cut me around here. It kind of cut my feet and they're kind of stiff, so I'll wear it today when I'm going out and see how comfortable they are. Hopefully they're not too painful. I think they won't be as comfortable as these sandals, but yeah, hopefully they're not too bad. I just hope the rubber don't stretch out too much in the future. Otherwise when you walk, your feet will be like flopping out like when you wear sandals. I'm not sure if the camera can pick up. It says Chanel in really small writing right there, which is a really cute detail. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I feel like it's a really casual and yet elegant and chic at the same time. So comfy. So this is how the slingbacks look like. I can feel the tightness around here, but I hope they will stretch out over time. Another thing I noticed is when you walk in these, your feet kind of like flip out. Like it's kind of like when you're wearing sandals, and it makes that sound when you walk. So that's just one thing to note, and I'm not used to this at the moment. I hope I'll get used to it in the future. It can be a casual or dressy pair of shoes, and it looks really nice with jeans and just what I'm wearing today. And it just like it just dresses up any outfit you're wearing. But then I noticed I can't really wear these with shorts. They kind of look weird. I don't know, I have to play around with this and see what type of outfit match these shoes. So that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, don't forget to give me a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!